Uh-uh. No, that's not gonna work.
Wait, Math Goblin? What are you doing here?
Your answer, it's wrong.
What do you mean? I used Power Rule.
I'm sorry, Joe. Power rule's just not gonna cut it here.
Okay, well, then what do I do?
Well, you need to use chain rule. Here, give me the chalk. Look, the rule states that if lowercase f and g are both differentiable, and uppercase f of x is the composite function defined by f of x equals f prime of g of x, then f is differentiable and f prime is given by the product f prime of x equals f prime of g of x times g prime of x. And, well, I guess that doesn't really make much sense on its own, so let's look at an example. Here, let's differentiate this. We pulled the 3 to the front, and what's the derivative of this inside expression?
Oh, that's just 2x.
Well, what we do is multiply that 2x to the outside. Then we can simplify it, and there we go.
Hey, that doesn't really look too hard. Can I try?
Sure. How about you do that example from before?
Alright, so I pull the 3 to the front, I take the derivative of the inside, which gives me 4x to the third plus 6, and I simplify that, and there.
Hey, that looks awesome. You know what? I think you're ready for the final test.
Where are we?
Here's where you'll find him. The wildest mathematician in the West. Here, you'll need this.
A trinomial expression involving a square root all to the 8th power. Well, I know I bring the 8 to the front, find the derivative of this inside portion, multiply that. Okay, I think I've got it. Oh, Mr. Goblin, you're back.
Well, I was sort of here the whole time, but never mind that. You did it, and just in time for your final test.
Oh, I thought I just did that.
No, Joe, your quiz. But don't worry about it. I think you're ready now. Good luck in there.
Thanks, bro.
I'ma head out.